Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another plan with me. This video is going to be using digital paper, skinny washi tape, medium size washi tape, and yeah. So let me just start by telling you that I post videos about beauty, lifestyle. I post recipes now that we're on isolation and lockdown. I do plan with me organization videos. So this is one of my plan with me videos. I really enjoy like crafting and all that. The other thing I need to let you know is that I am an achromat, like colorblind, but almost totally colorblind, which means that I can see grays, blacks, whites, some color, but I really get confused. So if you're one of those people who need everything to be color coordinated, unfortunately, this video might make you a little bit upset because I've tried and I've asked about pinks and greens, which is going to be on my spread, but yeah, I don't know. The other thing I noticed from my previous videos that you could see my head sometimes. The issue is that I'm also partially sighted, so I really need to bring stuff really close to my face to see. So when you normally see something like this, I need to bring it right really close to my face. So if you see the top of my head, I apologize. It's just because I can't see well. Now, without further ado, let's start this video. So I'm using digital paper I got off Etsy. I just googled roses and I found this paper. I used adhesive paper. I'm going to link whatever I'm using in the description box. And I printed my digital paper on my adhesive white paper. I've already cut the boxes, the top boxes, because I want to cover them. And I'm going to use this somewhere in the middle. And I've also used Tipp-Ex to white out the stars because my happy planner is a very colorful one and I don't like it. My new one is this really cool one. Let me just show you. Sorry, I'm going a bit off topic, but let me just show you my new planner, which I can't wait to use. I got this Go Wild one, Stay Wild. I don't even know what it's called. And it's this pretty one. And I think, I haven't even opened it, but look. There are no colours. Yay! Really looking forward to starting that one. So I got that off Hey Little Magpie in the UK. If you're in the UK, that's where I found it. So let me start by showing you the digital paper, as I said. I already said that, sorry for repeating. I'm going to use skinny washi tape. And I asked my partner to show me where the pinks and the greens are. So he did. I don't mind if they're different shades, but it's going to be mostly, well, I'm going to try to make it mostly pinks and greens. I also have this washi tape and this washi tape. So these are what going to go on the spread. I'm probably going to use stickers off this sticker sheet, which I got from Greece. So any shout outs to Greek people, they're clear stickers. So I'm going to put these on my planner. And then I'm going to use stickers from the sticker book, the Botanic sticker book. I found some, I'll show you later which ones I'm going to use. And the, what else? The memory keeping one. I've already found a quote. I'm going to put the spring quote. And I'm also going to use from the other memory keeping one. This one, probably this quote down here or something. I'll see. A quote from somewhere. We'll see. Oh, this one. I wanted to use this one. So let's see what I end up using. And yeah, get your coffee. Let's start planning. So the first thing I want to do is see if I want to use this or this under the washi. I think I'm going to go with this. So even though I'm colorblind, as I said, I can still see a little bit of color and I see hues. I think this one looks better. So that's what I'm going to use. Whatever. It's fine. I just enjoy playing with colors and playing with all these stickers and stuff, so yeah. Let me show you up close. This washi is supposed to be like a lace washi, so I'm going to use it. I wonder if it's this way or the other way. I don't know. I'll see how I use it. So I've put some washi at the bottom of my, what are these called? The boxes at the top. And I have made a little boo-boo here, but I'll just figure out what I'm going to use to cover that up. And then I'm going to put my digital paper, my adhesive sticker paper on my spread. So I'll put probably, yeah, I cut it. So this one goes here and this one goes here. So I just want to get them the right way round. You can see that a little bit. Now I need to figure out if I can take off the sticker because I cut it, and I'll figure out how to take the sticker off. I'm not going to waste your time sitting there watching me try. It wasn't that bad. I managed to take it off, so I'll just stick it and then we'll move on to the other one. Okay, so I didn't put white out here, Tipex, but I did here because you can still see the days here, but that's okay. This is supposed to be fun. I'm not going to be like, oh God. So yeah, so I put a little bit of washi tape and then the flowers, and now I'm going to put a little thin strip of washi tape in the middle. I just need to find where it is. Here it is. I'm going to put a thin one somewhere here, but I'm also going to put washi tape down here. So I think I'm going to start with the skinny washi tapes and just put them all around down these lines. So I'm going to use these washi tapes, which I got off Amazon, and I'll link whatever I can in the description box. You get loads. I got loads, like for £6 or something. So it was really cool. I'm going to use them and I'm going to try to alternate between white and then the different colors, the different pinks and stuff. So yeah, let's move on with that. Okay, so I've used two different skinny washi tapes, the lined one and this one. And I put one line here and one line here. And now I'm wondering, shall I go in with these, not these ones, or not? I'll try it out. I'll see, I'll show you, and then I'll tell you what I ended up deciding. I'm scared. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, so I used all the washi tapes. Oh no. Yeah, I'm typing. I'm recording. I got a little panic attack. So I used these washi tapes, and I forgot that this one has an extra line, so I added 2 of these. I have no idea what colors they are, but yeah, doesn't matter. And I think I used this one. These are really good washi tapes, like skinny washi tapes. They're easy to use and they stick on really nicely. And now I'm going to put this washi tape here, or shall I use this one? What do we think? Maybe I should stick to the pink and just have it tie. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this one. I'll try to find something similar because I had got this ages ago. I don't know from where. So I'll try to find something similar and link it down in the description box. Okay, so I put the washi tape down here. And now we're going to decide about stickers and what goes where. So I've decided to put my digital paper down here. I'm going to put white Tipex here on the lines so you can't really see them, and then I'm going to stick it on top. So that's what I'm going to do now. I think I want this to be a bit lined, so somewhere there. And I want it to be around the same like height as the other one is, so there and there, and I'll just put a little bit of Tipex underneath, and then I can show you. So where am I going to put it? It's going to be, let's just find a pencil. Is this a pencil? Yeah. So let's say from this one, yeah, and then the same one there. So let's say here to here. So I'll go from the lines. Okay, and here to here. I'll try to cover up with white out. I'll cover that up, and then I will continue with the rest of the planning. So it's kind of covered up, but it didn't really well. It's hard to put Tipex on the washi tape, so now I'm just going to take this off and try to you know, stick it on there somehow. There, I've got that off, and just make sure that the flowers are the right way up. So I want it to touch on the bottom line. No, there. Okay, that one's there, and then this one again, bottom line, flowers facing up. This is really good adhesive paper. It comes off very easily because sometimes you get them and you can't take this bit off, but this one's fine. And let's find the bottom of the paper there. Bottom of the line, lined. There you go. So there we have it. 2. And I kind of like my spread. I don't know if I want to put anything else on it. Like maybe something here, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, you can say what you think to yourself. I can't hear you. Give me comments in the description box. It would be really nice to learn your process, your planning process, and what you think and what you would change, or how you would go about using digital paper. So I'm going to have a little think and then I'll let you know. And some coffee. I need coffee now. So I'm covering up this bit over here, and I just put some white out washi tape, Tipex on it, and I'm just going to put boxes at this side of the planner. So yeah. Okay, so turns out the sticker book I didn't really like was the one I ended up using the most. So I got stickers out of this Happy Memory Keeping. So it's this book. And I used the little love hearts that are here on the days. And I used Love Today. These are all from the same sticker book. Love Today, Labor Day, which is going to be May the 1st. And I just put some love hearts, and because I had that little odd bit there, I added a love heart here, and then I added a love heart here. This sticker, Be Happy, was from my Greek sticker book. I don't know what color it is, but I just added it there. And then I just put little boxes here. I know some of them are pink and some of them are green, but they're fine. And then note to self, so I'm just going to write some things here, and then I'm just going to add some pen. The pen I'm going to use is a brush pen. I really like the way it writes. Let me show you. Where can I show you? I'll show you. Yeah, I don't want to wreck this. I'll show you here because I'm probably not going to use this. This at the end of it. So look how pretty the writing is. You can do small and then it goes love. Really nice pen. I'll link it down below. It's a box with 5 pens with different nibs, and this is the nib I'm using. So really like it. I'm just going to put in a few things because we're all on quarantine and isolated. So I just have my work, and then I'm not going anywhere. So it's pretty blank. But this is most of the spread. Have I talked about everything? Yeah, I think I have. I've mentioned everything, right? Okay. So this is my spread with everything I could think of to put in it. So let me just show you what I have put in my planner, because I know some people are struggling, and you can just put journals or just leave it white. It's just how you feel, and enjoy, go with the flow, have fun in your planner. So I have notes to self, and I just put things I want to remember. So I need to call the GP, I need to sort out my electricity bills, I need to get my voucher or my money back from Ryanair for a ticket that I had bought and didn't go anywhere. And then I want to practice, because I'm a teacher, and I teach online now. I want to practice using PowerPoints and Panopto, and practice more the tools on the virtual learning environment, Blackboard. Things I want to watch. I want to watch New Amsterdam. It's a medical drama. If you haven't watched it and you like medical dramas, you should. It's on Amazon Prime. I'm currently watching Anne with an E on Netflix. It's really nice. It's so relaxing and fun to watch. It's a family movie with about a girl. It's about Anne of Green Gables. So if you've heard of that book, you should watch it. It's really nice. And I also need to finish This Is Up. But that's going to require lots of Kleenex and here. And then I just wrote down some of my meetings I have this week. And then I wrote down all my YouTube stuff. at the bottom. So I wrote down that every Monday I need to be making my thumbnails and writing description boxes. I need to be posting on YouTube. I try to post every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, and then I might have a random day where I just post something extra. And I just wrote down things I want to do. I want to film my Amazon favorites because I have a few things that I've bought off Amazon for the past few months, and I want to film a video about that. I want to film my April favorites. I made a little mistake, so I had to use some Tipp-Ex. Things that I am enjoying so far, and I've written down is the book Flat Share. It's a fun, light read. I've read some of it, and I think it needs a shout out. The washi tape I've bought, I've used this really nice bronzer. We'll talk about that. And a number 7 gloss. So I wrote down some of my ideas. And then I was going to use this really nice notebook I got off where did I get this off? The Happy Planner, I guess. I think it's a Happy Planner note. I'm trying to find it for you. Hang on, let me just pause so I can find it. And then I'll show you my... So this is the notebook I got, the Just Bloom notebook. And I really like it. And this is what I am going to be planning on my YouTube, writing all my YouTube stuff. And I like it because you can pull out pages and move them around. So I'm going to do that probably next week sometime. It doesn't mean that I'm going to do these on these days. The YouTube stuff I do, I'm trying to keep to a schedule because that's what they say. I'm trying to grow my channel and my belly because I'm eating a lot, but that's irrelevant. So yeah. I just put them in, and just to remember, more like a brain dump than I'm going to be actually doing these things on these days. Some of these things I will be doing, like on Thursday I do have a meeting. Friday is Labor Day. And then payday is the 30th, and I like to buy myself a few things. What I'm going to buy is my Clinic Moisture Surge because my skin is getting very dry and I need my moisture surge. I want to buy a craft cart to put all my crafts, and I'm going to bake probably on the weekend. We like baking cakes, we like baking biscuits, we like baking bread, although it's really hard to find flour. I don't know how you guys are doing with the flour shortage. So let's just go through finally what I used. So I used medium washi tape, skinny washi tape, digital paper, which I printed on adhesive A4 papers, which I then cut to fit in the sections I wanted to cover. Here I whited out the dates. The days here I didn't, so you can still see them, but that's fine. We're just learning still. I didn't claim that I'm a planner guru. I'm just playing along as you guys are. I just enjoy it. Here I have boxes, and I just wrote down a few things. The book I used was this one, as I said. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. Most of my videos are beauty, lifestyle, and planning, and plan with me videos. So there's always going to be a plan with me video, maybe 2. This last week I had a